Metahumans are digital characters created using advanced AI and computer graphics. It can be customized according to the appearances and behaviors of the source person. It can be designed not only to replicate realistic appearances and behaviors, but also to clone voices and communicate fluently in any language. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. As technology like metahumans advances, the line between human and machine capabilities becomes increasingly blurry. This raises questions about identity, consciousness, and the future of human evolution. The question is, if humans can be augmented with technology, what ethical considerations arise? Who decides what constitutes normal human abilities? Are there potential risks of unintended consequences or misuse of such enhancements? The concept of metahumans has long been a staple of science fiction, inspiring stories about superheroes, cyborgs, and enhanced humans. As technology advances, science fiction is increasingly becoming science facts. Metahumans can create incredibly realistic and immersive experiences in various fields like gaming, education, customer service, and virtual reality. It is cost efficient, significantly saves on costly productions, and it can streamline the client feedback process. Metahumans can act in movies, generate personalized content, or even become news anchors. Blurring the lines between reality and simulation resulted in increased efficiency and no need to work around executive schedules. Metahumans can provide companionship for lonely people or offer assistance to those with physical limitations in virtual environments. The creation of believable and interactive metahumans will push the boundaries of AI in areas like natural language processing, animation, and character development, leading to further advancements in the field. Going forward, metahumans are set to revolutionize the AI driven world by providing highly realistic and interactive digital avatars that enhance user experiences across various sectors. While the potential benefits are immense, it is crucial to address the associated challenges and ethical considerations to ensure that metahumans are used responsibly and effectively. Let's look into today's headlines. Google Search to show limited results on desktop browsers. Google is doing away with continuous scrolling in search results for desktop from June 26th and from mobile in the coming months. Before the continual scrolling was launched, users had to manually click on the next button to move to the succeeding page. Google is now going back to the old system on desktop. BTEL Teletech partners with Alcatel-Lucent Enterprise to accelerate digital transformation. BTEL Teletech has announced a strategic partnership with Alcatel-Lucent Enterprise. BTEL will be responsible for the overall distribution of Alcatel-Lucent Enterprise's diverse product portfolio, including its cutting-edge networking and communication solutions such as network switches, wireless access points, routers, and hybrid cloud and collaboration service. The objective behind this partnership is to spearhead the development of critical verticals such as telecommunications, transportation, hospitality, healthcare, education, government, and manufacturing utilities in India. OpenAI pushes release of ChatGPT voice mode to July due to technical issues. OpenAI has announced that the highly anticipated release of its voice mode feature has been pushed to July. The company cited technical challenges as the reason for the delay as it wants a smooth and safe user experience. It was originally slated for a late June release to a select group of ChatGPT Plus subscribers. The feature promises a more realistic voice conversation experience. Gmail users to soon have a Gemini AI sidebar. Google is rolling out several more AI features to Gmail with the Gemini AI sidebar. The tool will offer proactive prompts in addition to the ability to ask free form questions. Google is also rolling out Gemini features to the side panel in Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Drive. Users will be able to use Gemini in the Gmail mobile app on Android and iOS devices. Centre takes steps on the claims of Foxconn denying jobs to married women. The Indian government has requested a thorough investigation from the Tamil Nadu government in response to claims made by the supplier to Apple, Foxconn, that it denied employment to married women at its iPhone assembly factory near Chennai. The Ministry of Labour and Employment highlighted the necessity for transparency in employment processes and cited violations of the Equal Remuneration Act, which prompted an investigation into Foxconn's standards. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.